Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel, Auto and RV Insider. Today, we are stepping into the future. What you see behind me isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's a masterclass in aerodynamic design and high-end living. This is the futuristic double-decker Ferrari concept. Imagine combining the DNA of a supercar with the opulence of a multi-million-dollar mega-yacht. We're going to find out if this is truly the ultimate way to travel in the 21st century. Exterior aesthetics and design language. The first thing that hits you is the scale. Bathed in a pristine, pearl-white finish, the bodywork flows like liquid. It features a unique 8-wheel configuration with low-profile black multi-spoke alloys that keep this giant planted to the road. Look at the front fascia, aggressive, sharp, and unmistakably Ferrari. The wraparound glass isn't just for show. It's reinforced smart glass that can tint instantly for privacy. Every curve here serves a purpose, to cut through the wind with zero resistance. Lower deck, the command center and lounge. Step inside, and you're greeted by the executive lounge. The ground floor is designed for high-stakes business or pure relaxation. The seats are upholstered in sunset orange, premium leather, featuring 4D massage technology. But the real magic is in the driver's cabin. There are no physical needles or dials. Everything is controlled via a massive holographic interface. The steering yoke feels like it belongs in a fighter jet, giving the pilot total control over this massive machine. Upper deck, the Sky Suite and sunroof. Now, let's head upstairs to what I call the Sky Suite. This is where you want to be for long-distance cruising. The elevated position gives you a bird's-eye view of the landscape. And here is the showstopper, the retractable, panoramic sunroof. With one touch, the roof slides back, turning the upper deck into an open-air balcony. Whether it's catching the sea breeze or stargazing at 100 miles per hour, this feature redefines the concept of a room with a view. Engineering and performance. Underneath this luxury exterior lies a beast. We're talking about a next-gen hybrid V12 powertrain, delivering thousands of horsepower to ensure that despite its size, it handles like a sports car. It's equipped with AI-assisted Level 5 autopilot, meaning you can sit back and enjoy a drink while the bus navigates through traffic using a 360-degree LiDAR sensor array. Conclusion. This concept isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about how you feel during the journey. It's bold, it's expensive, and it's absolutely breathtaking. If this is the future of transport, I'm ready for it. What do you think? Is this too much or just enough luxury? Let me know in the comments below. Once again, thank you for watching Auto and RV Insider. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more futuristic reveals. See you in the next one.